Hello and welcome to WhatTheInfo. Today, we are starting our AI series with Chapter 1. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, is everywhere around us, even if we do not always notice it. From the recommendations you see on YouTube and Netflix, to the voice assistants on your phone, AI is quietly making decisions that affect your daily life. But what exactly is AI? At its core, AI is a way to make machines think and act like humans, or at least perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks can include understanding language, recognizing images, making predictions, and even solving problems. There are two main ways to understand AI. The first is by looking at what AI can do. Some AI is designed to perform a single task very well, like recommending a song you might like. This is called narrow AI. The second way is more ambitious AI that can perform any intellectual task that a human can. This is called general AI, and we are not quite there yet. Most of the AI you interact with every day is narrow AI. Let's look at some simple examples. When you ask your phone assistant to set an alarm, that's AI at work. When Netflix suggests a show, that's AI analyzing patterns in your viewing habits. Even self-driving cars use AI to understand the road and make decisions in real time. AI works by analyzing large amounts of data, finding patterns, and making predictions. Think of it like teaching a child to recognize animals. You show many pictures of cats and dogs, and the child learns the differences. AI does something similar, but much faster and with far more data. It's important to understand that AI doesn't think like humans. It doesn't have feelings or consciousness. It is simply following rules, analyzing patterns, and producing outcomes based on the data it has seen. This is why AI can make mistakes if the data is incomplete or biased. If you are enjoying this video and want to learn more about AI from basics to advanced topics, make sure to subscribe to WhatTheInfo for the full series. Now, you might be wondering how different types of AI exist and why some AI seems smarter than others. That's exactly what we'll explore in the next chapter. In Chapter 2, we'll dive into narrow AI versus general AI and see how each type is applied in the real world. Do not forget to subscribe to WhatTheInfo and hit the notification bell so you would not miss the next chapter in this AI series.